So, like most banks in Nigeria, Zenith Bank is equally trying to sell shares as a part of the CBN recapitalization program or policy. So in this video, I want to show you how to buy Zenith Bank public shares or public offers, how much it costs, and the easiest way to buy it. So the first step is to come to this website called invest.ngsgroup.com/offers. I already have a video that shows you how to use this platform. So this platform is from or by the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and the idea here is that you can easily buy and keep track of things, simple and straight to the point, using this website. So they just help you keep everything together, which is very, very important for you as a possible beginner investor or anything like that. So if you come here, you see the offers. This is Zenith Bank, and Zenith Bank, they have two types of shares that they are selling. So this one is a Zenith Bank public offer, and this one here is a rights issue. Now, if you look at the price here, you see that the price here is 36 naira 50 kobo for the public offer, and here it is just 36 naira. Now, this is the difference. The rights issue means people who already have Zenith Bank shares, they can just top up. So this is basically top up. So if you already have Zenith Bank shares, you'll be saving 50 kobo for being an early believer of Zenith Bank. So people like us who don't really who didn't buy these shares on time will be buying it slightly higher than you. So this is the size or the total amount that they want to raise from public offers, and this is the total amount they want to raise from the rights issues. And both of them, they start and close at the same time, which is August 1st, 2024 to September 9th, 2024. So depending on where you belong, you use any of these. So in my case, as somebody who doesn't have any Zenith Bank shares, I will be using the public offers. But before you buy any shares or any offers, you want to view the offer details. This is the where they provide you the information about the offer. So here you see the pricing supplement, you see their prospectus, and then you see their term sheet. So this is where they take out the time to outline what they've done before and what they want to do with your money, because it's your money and you should know what they want to do with your money. So you want to read these things to be sure that you are making the right decision. But let's say somehow they've convinced you and you don't want to pay attention to all of that. You want to buy now. This is how to proceed. So first, you need to select a stockbroker, and the reason you need to do this is they are going to help you keep track of your, let's say, your dividends and your shares or stocks in general. So in my case, I use this app called Afri Investor. It is very simple to use. I have a video on that already. You can check it out. So if you use the app, they are going to create your, they give you the documents or the credentials or the numbers that you need. So you select this one. You can select anyone you have. If you already have one, you can just come here, look for a stockbroker, just select anyone you have. So I currently use these ones. So you can also set them to be the broker that will receive your commissions. All right. So in this case, your return on your investment. So I'm going to select it. So here I want to select how much shares, how many shares I want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 1,000 Zenith Bank shares or any amount. So this is how much it's going to cost using this pricing here. So I want to agree to the terms, and then I come here, I click on buy now. I can basically pay with Paystack, and this website is very, very easy to use. So all I have to do now is this paystack is going to generate an account number for me to send the amount to, and all I have to do is to send the payment, and I would have technically purchased the Zenith Bank shares. The reason why I say technically is because these shares, they are still going, this is a subscription, it's not a purchase. So they are going to still do some final calculation before they distribute the shares. So this is the account number it has generated, and all I have to do is to send this money here within 30 minutes. So I have to copy this account and then go to my bank app and transfer this money and transfer this exact amount. So you copy this amount, transfer it, and you come here, you click on I have sent the payment. They are going to try to verify this transaction, and it doesn't take much time, as you can see right here. So the moment they've confirmed it, that means you've subscribed to the Zenith Bank public shares. So this is basically how you can buy the Zenith Bank shares. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. And if this video helps you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos.